Anyone can create dictionary. Professionals know how to control it. That's what methods do. Dictionary methods help you read, update, clean, and analyze data without breaking your program. Same data, smarter controls. So, today we will learn about dictionary methods. First method is keys, which will help us to see all identities. For example, say we have a user named dictionary where we have usernames and password. First is admin and admin123, Alice, Alice @123. So we can print all the stuff using users.keys. This will only print the keys, all the keys. So now it's showing you dictionary keys is admin and Alice. These were the keys and these were the pair value. Now let's talk about value method or value function. It's plural, values. So if you print users.values, I'm gonna comment it out. What it will do is it will only print the pair value. Now using this you can print password tokens, counters, values are the data behind the scenes. Now let's talk about the items. Dot items. If we say users dot items, now it will print values, now it will print key and value together. This is what real audits use. So now let's try looping dot items, or you can say item functions. For that we will use for loop and password in users dot items colon print user, and then we'll run it. Now it will print both username and the password, means it will print both keys and your value. Why use it? Because it is readable, powerful and professional. Now let's talk about the pop function. It will remove anything from your dictionary. For example, if you say users.pop and Alice, I'll bring this line down. Let's comment this out and let's say just here. Yeah. So now if I say users.pop Alice, so it will delete this one, this key and value. So you might think that why not like anything got printed, because we forgot to print everything. Users.items and run. Now it will only print admin1. Why? Because we just deleted Alice. Now let's talk about clear. Clear. Now what clear will do is we can use clears like users.clear and that's it. Now if you will print, nothing will be printed because clear will clear our dictionary. It means deleting everything. Our next function is dot get method. So what this method will do is, let's see. First I'm gonna copy this again and comment it out, and now we'll write it in print so we can get the results on the go. So if you run it, you will get this, the key of the value. But what if you give something that is not existing in the dictionary? Okay, my bad. users.get and delete from here and here. Now we run it and it won't crash, so it's like a safe access mode for the dictionary. So our next method is update method. So what an update method do will it will update your dictionary. For example, let's take a variable saying and we'll make it dictionary, and this will be a new users because we will be adding new users to the dictionary, and our first user will be Bob and password will be as usual bob@123, and let's take my name and Ritik@123, and that's not my actual password obviously. And now we say users dot update new underscore users. So now what we are doing is we are using the dot update method on users dictionary, and we are adding users from the new users dictionary. And now if you print this dictionary users dot, okay, so now if you run it, it will give you the updated dictionary. As you can see, it printed Bob and my name too. Why? Because we just updated the dictionary right here. So now let's talk about some common beginner mistakes. First one is looping keys when you need items. And second one is ignoring saved defaults. And third is overwriting data unintentionally. Methods prevents bugs. That's why we use them. And now you can control dictionaries, not just store data, cleaner code, smarter logic. This is how Python became scalable.